Okay, this is what you call snowboarding with a regular sled, and it's gonna be a giant fail. So you're gonna see me have a giant fail. So let's do this. Here we go. Holy crap, man! Oh, that hurt my butt. Oh, man. That hurt my butt. I landed on ice, man. That hurt my bouquet, man. Oh, man. That hurt. That hurt. That hurt my booty. Yes, it did. Oh, my butt, man. My butt. Okay, time for you. Let's go, Drew.
Let's put on my gloves.
Okay. I bet this guy's gonna be even more fail than I was.
Hey, I'm doing it! I'm doing it!
Oh, that's gotta hurt. Ooh. Come on, Drew. Get her up here. Man, he seems like he's cold and he is freaking slowing it down. Okay, Drew. We gotta hurry up because we're running out of battery.